So let's see some basic command of the command line interface or the terminal. As you can see, in one part, I've opened my desktop, and the second part, I open git bash. And at any time, if I want to know my location, I can use the command pwd, and pwd stands for print working directory. So it tells me I am inside the cdisk users and the user, which is me. Now, there is also another important command, which is ls. ls stands for list, so it will list all the directories. And by directory, I mean folders, or also file if they exist. Now, as you can see, I want to go inside the desktop. So I can see cd, and cd stands for change directory, and desktop like that. And if I hit tab, it will auto-complete it for me. So now I am inside the desktop. If I want to clean my terminal, I just press Ctrl L, and it will be cleaned. Now, let's see what we have on the desktop. And as you can see, we have a different directory. As you can see here, it's the one I'm interested in. It's called Hack Your Future. If I want to go inside Hack Your Future, I'll cd again, Hack Your Future. And let's see what do we have inside Hack Your Future. So I have different directory, different folders. What I want to do now, I want to create a new folder. And in order to create a new folder, the command is make dir, which is mean make directory, and I have to give it a name. For example, I will give it name test. And if I click enter, and now as you see, where is my test? Yeah, I'm inside Hack Your Future. I have to go inside Hack Your Future, and now I have my new directory, which is called test. Okay, let's ls it. And yeah, this is my test. I want to go inside my test here, so I will go inside my test like that. And I don't have anything inside test, as you can see here and here. I don't have anything. So let's go to inside the test. Now I want to create a file, and in order to create a file, the command is touch and the name of the file, whatever name you want. I will just call it index.md. And as you can see, I have my index.md. Now I want to open this file, which is index.md, and I want to add some content, whatever I want. In order to open this file or the whole folder, I have different possibility. I can use VS Code, so I can just say code space dot, and VS Code, it will be open. So let's wait a little bit. And as you can see, that's my VS Code. So let's just add some comment, and Markdown, you already know Markdown, so we'll just say basic basic CLI, which is command line interface commands, just like that. I'll save it, and then I'll close my VS Code. Okay, now if I want to see what inside this file, I have a command called cat, and after the cat, I will just put the name of the file, which is index.md. And if I use, as you can see here, the content, show me the content, so basic CLI command, or supposed to be commands as a plural. Now, what if I want to do it in another way? So there is something called Vim, and Vim is the text editor, it's a very powerful text editor. If you don't want to use VS Code, you can use Vim. So we'll just say again Vim, and we have index.md. And view. Now in Vim, it's a little bit different. You cannot just type. So if I try to type, it will not allow me. I have to go to the insert mode. So the insert mode is just a mode when you are typing. And in order to insert or go to the insert mode, I have to type I. If I type I, now I can type whatever I want. Commands like that. From Vim, let's say, from Vim. Now, after I'm done, as you can see down here, it shows me that I am in the insert mode. And to go to the insert mode, again, you have to type I like that on the keyboard. I. Now, after I'm done, after I edit whatever I want, now I want to exit Vim. I want to save the changes and exit Vim. And in order to do that, I have to hit the escape key. And as you can see, I'm not in the insert mode anymore. Then I will type column, as you can see down here, column, W for write. Write just means save whatever change I made, and Q for quit. And if I type like that, and now it's done. Let's see the content again. So cat index.md, and as you can see here, commands from Vim. So you have really different possibility. Use the VS Code or use Vim or whatever you want. Now, what if I want to remove this file, which is index.md? So the command rm for remove, and I have to put the name of the file. If I do it like that, now it will be removed. Let's create another one. So just want to show you something. That should be touch index dot I don't know, maybe HTML, just to see the difference. Okay, now I've created another file called index.html. Now, so far we know how to go inside specific directory or folder. Now, what I am currently in test, I want to go up one directory. So if I click like that, I will go up one directory. I will be inside Hack Your Future. And now I'm inside test. I want to go up one directory. In order to do that, it's very simple. Just cd space dot dot. And now I'm inside Hack Your Future. Let's list it and see what different directory we have. I want to remove test. So this is the folder or the folder I created. I want to remove it. And I will just use the same command rm. And I will just type test like that. If I try to remove it, it will not remove. It will not allow me. Why? Because inside this folder, I have a file. So it's like security. It will not allow me to remove this folder or directory. Now there is a command, but you have to be careful with this command because if you use this command, it will delete your folder, but it will not go to the recycle pane. So it will not go to the recycle. It will be removed from your laptop forever. So the command also, it's rm, which is remove -r for recursive, and then the name of the folder, which is test. If I do like that, and now as you can see, test is gone. I do no more have test. And yeah, and if I go to my sorry, recycle pane, I cannot see it anymore. Sorry. Because it's removed directly, it's not going to the recycle pane, it will be removed from your desktop or from your laptop. So that's some basic command line, some command line interface or the terminal. That will be very useful. Let's go back to the home directory. So at any time, whenever you are, if you want to go to the home directory, you just type cd and tilde. That's tilde. If you click like that, now I will be inside the home directory. pwd, I go back where I was. Okay, so of course I need get, for example, get which is a version control system is very important. So I need to have get, and in order to check if I have get or not, I can use get underscore minus version, and it will give me you have get, the version is 2.33 like that. What else? Now that's some basic commands are really important command just to navigate through your directory, how to go inside a specific folder, how to go back one directory, go up, as we see, how to create a file, how to create a folder, how to delete a file, how to delete a folder. Yeah, there is another just command which is called, if I want to get the date, for example, it will give me just date like this. There's a lot of command. So there is so many, but for you, I guess this basic command, it will be okay for now. Yeah, that's it.